Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Before we get into today's word, here's a reminder that we deliver live workshops throughout the year for students preparing for their 11 Plus exam. These workshops cover comprehension, verbal reasoning, writing, and maths. In the last academic year, we helped over 5,000 students. Give it a try and improve week after week. Just visit the Exam Coach website for more information. That's www.theexamcoach.tv. Today's word is adventurous. It's pronounced Adventurous, and it is spelt Adventurous. Think ad, then ture, and then us. Adventurous means willing to take risks or to try out new methods, ideas, or experiences. For example, you could say, the adventurous explorer travelled the world. Adventurous comes from the Old French aventure, meaning chance, accident, occurrence, event, happening, and the suffix us, meaning characterized by. As a result, we get the word meaning characterized by chances, events, or happenings. If you are adventurous, you are willing to take a chance and go to new events. See the link there? Can you think of any famous adventurous characters? How about Indiana Jones, Lara Croft, Jack Sparrow, The Little Mermaid, and Mowgli? All these characters live lifestyles involving travel and risk-taking. They are adventurous. Adventurous is an adjective, and therefore a describing word. For example, you could say, she was an adventurous eater, willing to try all kinds of different foods. Adventurous is defined in the dictionary as willing to try new or difficult things. Adventurous's synonyms include daring, daredevil, intrepid, audacious, and enterprising. Antonyms include cowardly, fearful, meek, shy, timid, weak, careful, cautious, prudent, and unadventurous. See if you can notice anyone acting adventurously today. It could be a TV character, like the examples I've given, or a friend or family member. Either way, try to find a way to use this new word today. Adventurous. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.